Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're looking at something that's literally reshaping how we think about the world's oldest asset. We're talking about the EGR revolution and trading physical gold right in your Demat account. If you've ever felt like buying traditional gold is just kind of clunky, well, you are absolutely in the right place.
So, gold in your Demat account. Gold has always been our classic go-to safe haven, right? But have you actually ever considered holding it digitally, sitting right there next to your regular company stocks? Just imagine opening up your trading app, checking your shares of, say, Apple or Reliance, and boom, right underneath them is a holding for pristine 24-karat gold. It sounds a bit like science fiction, but honestly, it is a very real, very accessible strategy right now.
Because let's be totally honest here, buying traditional physical gold can be a huge pain. You're constantly dodging these hidden making charges that just eat right into your capital. And then, there's the storage issue. Where do you even safely keep it? Plus, there's always that lingering purity anxiety. Like, is that bar you just bought actually 24 karat? Are you truly getting the $9.99 purity you paid for?
Section 1. The missing link. Introducing electronic gold receipts.
So, enter the electronic gold receipt, or EGR. Now, it is exactly what it sounds like. It's a highly regulated digital certificate, specifically regulated by SEBI, by the way, that acts as solid proof that you own actual physical gold, and that gold is sitting safely locked away in a certified vault. So, to be clear, it's not some abstract derivative. It's quite literally a digital receipt for real metal. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, don't we already have ways to buy digital gold? And yes, we absolutely do, but they definitely have their limits. For instance, gold ETFs are great, but they rarely let you swap your shares for actual physical bars. And those digital gold abs? Super convenient, sure, but they often lack strict financial regulation. EGRs, though, kind of give you the best of both worlds. You get the transparent, regulated stock market trading combined with the ultimate option to eventually hold the real gold right in the palm of your hand.
Section 2. The three-step life cycle. Let's map out the EGR process.
Let's just mentally sketch this out, almost like drawing a clean, crisp flowchart on a pristine whiteboard. The system really just flows in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is creation. A certified vault manager takes in the physical gold, strictly verifies its purity, making sure it hits that 995 or 999 mark, and then issues an EGR straight into your Demat account. Step 2 is trading. You can seamlessly buy and sell these receipts on major exchanges like the NSE or BSE with a totally uniform price. And finally, step 3, which is the really cool part, redemption. You can surrender those digital receipts and physically pull your gold right out of the vault whenever you want.
Section 3. The big benefits. Why exactly should you shift your strategy? 100 milligrams. That is your new threshold. Just think about that for a second. With an EGR, you don't need to save up for months to buy a heavy 10-gram coin or some massive gold bar just to get started. You can buy in denominations as tiny as 100 milligrams. This completely democratizes gold investing, meaning you can steadily build up your wealth using whatever capital you happen to have on hand. It's a real game changer.
And beyond that incredibly small entry size, you also get the benefit of one nation, one price. That means fair exchange-discovered pricing across the entire country. No more haggling. Second is the safety aspect. The physical gold backing your EGR is locked in SEBI-accredited vaults, and get this, they are audited every 2 weeks. Pretty secure, right? And third is liquidity. You can instantly liquidate your EGR during market hours. Try doing that with a physical gold chain at your local jeweler without losing a massive chunk of its value.
Now, as a savvy investor, you are probably listening to all of this and thinking, okay, this sounds fantastic, but what is the catch? And honestly, you are absolutely right to ask. We should always check the fine print before jumping into a new financial decision. So, holding EGRs isn't totally free, and we do need to factor in the actual costs here. First up, storage charges. Your gold is sitting in high-end, extremely secure vaults, and well, you have to pay a small fraction for that top-tier security. Second are withdrawal fees. If you ever decide to pull the physical gold out of the vault, you'll be hit with delivery fees and what they call extinguishing charges, which is basically just to officially cancel out your digital receipt. And lastly, taxes. Just like buying traditional jewelry, standard GST kicks in the exact moment you take physical delivery of the metal. With major exchanges actively backing this launch, gold has officially entered the regulated digital age. It is so much safer than some random unregulated app and infinitely more flexible than keeping a gold bar hidden away in a drawer. So, I will leave you with this final thought. Are you going to stick with traditional jewelry, complete with all those extra markups, or are you finally ready to move your yellow metal right into your Demat account? Think about it. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer.